I've caught up with Kali Hamerton Stove from the Glasshouse. Now, I believe you're one of the co-founders of Glasshouse, which really we ought to talk about first before we talk about the garden.
That would be wonderful. So the Glasshouse, we bring women into our program in the last year to 2 years of their sentence in prison. They're about to be released, and we train them in horticulture. We employ them, and they become our workforce. They do our horticulture in offices. We put in plants and maintain them. But we're really trying to raise our profile. We want to expand our impact to other prisons, to more prisons. We believe that the power of horticulture and work can really change lives, and we have a 0% reoffending rate.
It's quite interesting because some years ago I talked to a lady who started the company Giggly Pigs. I don't know whether you've heard of Giggly Pigs. She was again in prison and she looked after the animals in a prison
Oh, yes.
and came out and then set up a company looking after pigs and then eventually having a sausage company.
Amazing.
You see, and it's just really what you're talking about, isn't it? It's getting people involved with something that they can, I suppose, in a way, hang on to.
Well, absolutely. Feel passionate about, show them that they have skills that they can use in the world, that they have value, and that they can support themselves and have a really good life after prison.
So, tell us a bit about the garden. You've obviously come here, you just said, to increase your profile. And if we look across at the garden, you've got this lovely glass house.
It's so beautiful. This is the pavilion, and Jo was briefed by our women who work for the Glass House, about what would really make a difference when they were in prison and thinking about what life was like afterwards. And they wanted somewhere that was private and felt safe, but also had to be on view a little bit because it's a prison and people have to be on view. And so she really struggled, I think, to envision what that looked like. But she's worked with the architect Holloway to create this beautiful kind of elliptical building that has recycled acrylic glass or kind of acrylic panel, so you can kind of see through it, but it also offers a certain amount of privacy, and it looks out at this stunning garden, this really natural,
You've got a
beautiful
pond at the front.
We've got a beautiful water feature at the back that rolls through the garden down to the end to a beautiful pond. And that also was briefed by the women who really missed the sound of and having water around them whilst they were in custody. And so all of this has been taken into account to create this whole beautiful visual. And the theme is strong beauty, and it's about, yes, it's feminine because we are 100% women organization, and obviously Jo is part of our team now, but it's also really strong and vibrant, and it shows resilience. And I think this really illustrates everything about us is right here where, it really shows what the women are capable of.
And I think in the future, this will bring you to the forefront much more so.
We hope so. We hope not only do we grow the work that we do, we have a lot of corporate clients, and we'd love more corporate clients who we can work for. And we'd also really hope that people see that this population has a lot to offer. They have a lot of ability, and they deserve to have a second chance and to be back in society and make themselves useful and successful.
Thank you very much indeed for talking to us today.
Of course. Thank you.